The return of the king of smart mobility, Audi Q6L e-tron. FAW Audi, a veteran player in the luxury car market, has launched the Q6L e-tron, a strategic model for the electrification transformation, relying on its long-standing automotive heritage and forward-looking technology landscape. While new energy brands use the slogan "software defines cars" to initiate a wave of change in the industry, the FAW Audi Q6L e-tron relies on the PPE luxury pure electric platform to provide a more three-dimensional and profound luxury response. The PPE platform provides the performance foundation with its 800V high-voltage architecture and 270 kW supercharging capability, while the E-3 1.2 electronic architecture enables the deep co-evolution of mechanics and digital. In terms of hardware, the Q6L e-tron features an armor-like body made of 34% hot-formed steel, which has passed 50 national standard crash test verifications, a full hot-formed steel battery base, and the industry's first STP multi-dimensional protection technology, which forms a full-size, passive safety fortress, from the body to the battery. At the software level, the addition of Huawei's high-end Qiankun intelligent driving system equipped with 14 active safety functions enables risk prediction and intervention in all weather conditions and all scenarios, forming a perception decision execution, active safety closed loop. This paradigm shift from mechanical precision to digital intelligence enables the Q6L e-tron to continue the Audi brand's relentless pursuit of safety in the electric era. A luxury electric car specially designed for the Chinese market, the Q6L e-tron has also made great efforts in space and intelligent interaction. The extra-long wheelbase of 2,995 mm creates a spacious experience for the rear passengers that is comparable to an executive sedan, and it easily adapts to both family trips and business meetings. In terms of intelligent interaction, the Q6L e-tron's voice control system provides users with an intelligent assistant suitable for all weather conditions, while supporting 11 vehicle control functions and 13 entertainment function controls. The deep integration of Germany's precise ergonomics and state-of-the-art digital smart technology not only enhances the convenience and comfort of travel, but also turns the Q6L e-tron into a mobile, smart living space. Here, users can enjoy a range of thoughtful services, such as personalized music recommendations, intelligent route planning, real-time vehicle status monitoring, and make every journey an enjoyable experience. From the hardcore genes of the PPE platform to the enhancement of Huawei's intelligent driving algorithm, from the luxurious space experience brought by the extra-long wheelbase to the deep integration of the intelligent interactive system, the Q6L e-tron demonstrates FAW Volkswagen Audi's deep understanding and fine grasp of the luxury electric vehicle market in every detail. This technological innovation and value restructuring based on user needs have made the Q6L e-tron stand out in the deep waters of the electrification competition and become the focus of the market. The pre-sales of the FAW Audi Q6L e-tron family will officially start at Hall 5 of the Shenzhen Convention and Exhibition Center on May 31, 2025. This electric SUV, which combines luxury, safety and intelligence, not only carries FAW Audi's determination and strong power in the electrification transformation, but also signals that the luxury electric vehicle market is entering a new transformation. The launch of the FAW Audi Q6L e-tron ushers in a new era in the luxury electric vehicle market. With the strong support of the PPE platform and the reinforcement of Huawei's intelligent driving system, this electric SUV not only excels in performance, but also reaches the industry-leading level in terms of safety and intelligence. With the pre-sale approach, consumers can expect to have a more convenient, comfortable and technologically advanced way of traveling in the future.